Guys, I just wanted to make a real quick video to show you how to make a Google form. So I'm just going to google.com, and if you don't have a Google login, you definitely need to get one to make a Google form. So in order to make a Google form, see, here's me, I'm logged in. I'm gonna just click this right here, and I'm gonna go to Google Drive. Okay, once I'm in Google Drive, you see all the files I've already made here, but you can make all kinds of different forms, you know, spreadsheets, whatever here. But here's what I am going to do. I am going to make a new file. And so I click that new. Did you guys see that? Hold on. See right here where it says new, a big plus in the corner. I'm going to click that, and this is Google Docs, Google Sheets. I don't want any of that, so I'm going to click more, Google Forms. So now I'm making a new Google form. So this is going to be my consultant survey form. So I'm going to type in potential, well, I'm not going to do it one-handed, but this is going to be my potential consultant survey form. Now, if you see here, I can just type in the title, and this is untitled question. So maybe my question is, what's your name? I can type that in there. I can give them a short answer. You can change it to multiple choice, etc. If you do multiple choice, it lets you pick. It's really easy. If I wanted a photo in this form over here to the right, I would just click that right there, and I could add a photo. So maybe I want to choose an image to upload, and I want to do the corporate logo. I have it somewhere here. Right, okay, so I just want to do the Pure Romance logo. I saved that. I just Google searched Pure Romance logo, and I picked one that was generic that didn't have a name on it. So I don't have to title this image. I'm just going to leave it like it is. And there you go. Now I have an image at the top of my survey. So anyways, when you make this, I'll show you what mine turned out like. Just like this, potential consultant survey. I'm going to share my link. But now you know how to make your own, and you can copy mine. So that's it. That's how you make a Google survey form. When I want to share it, I will go up here. Let me think. I'm going to say send. Yeah, right here, send. And then I will decide if I want to email it to somebody or if I want a link. In this case, we want a link because we're going to text them, or we are going to email them either way. See how this is really long? You can actually shorten it by clicking shorten URL. And now I've got something to copy. So I just right click copy, or I can click down here where it says copy. It'll copy it to my clipboard. I can paste it into a messenger message or a or like a text message or whatever I need to do. So that's how you deal with Google Forms, guys. Have a great day. Bye.